What's up? What it do, baby? We about to make breakfast. Okay, y'all, we about to make some water. This is the cup I'm using. Let me see, y'all can see a little bit better. It's the cup I'm using. I got from Ollie's for like $1.99. It's a big old cup too. And I got lemon. I got orange. And I have a lime. We about to make citrus water because I need to drink some water, y'all. This is my little knife. And I don't drink faucet water. I don't drink purified water unless it's called for, but I use spring water. I like the what's that one called? It starts with an N. Oh my god, what is it called? What is it called? I don't know what it's called, y'all. I forgot. But it's my favorite water and I can't think of it. But anyway, we're gonna pour this in here. I was talking to you though. Guess he ain't gonna say nothing. Nirvana. That's my favorite water, Nirvana. But I settle for any kind of spring water for real, as long as it don't taste nasty. So we got our water in there. This water was in the refrigerator already. Now we about to work on cutting the lemon. I already had garlic, but I mean not garlic. What am I saying? Ginger. And I don't got that much left, and I need it for something else. So let me let y'all up a little bit. Don't drop my phone. Too much up. Y'all, I'm in my PJs, so don't be worried about my spot on my shirt. That's my business. Alright. We're gonna put this over here for now. We need to work on cutting this. Oh, I'm going to use this. I got this off of Facebook for like $10 or $15. I forgot. But it's basically a fruit squeezer. You put it inside of here. Put the fruit in. Squeeze it and then pour it out. You see the little spout? That's how that go. So all I do is cut the fruit in half. Well, I do kind of want pieces in my water, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put C2 going there, and we're gonna cut this one too. Boom. And this is still juice, so we squeeze that up in there. See that? Squeezing it. Alright. Do the same thing. I think I'm gonna cut it like this first. And I already rinsed the fruit and stuff off, y'all. Wash y'all fruit if y'all could afford to buy the fruit and vegetable little rinses, buy it. They're low-key expensive, but if you can't afford to do that, you can always wash it with water and or if you fancy, you can use vinegar and water to clean stuff off, fruit and vegetables. Now I'm about to cut this 4-inch. Like that. I like to have little pieces. I like to have a lot of pieces of orange in my stuff. Even though I'm about to extract all the juice out, still want some pieces in there. And I kind of, let me see. I kind of squeeze a little bit of the juice out of these pieces too, and then stick them in. Okay, all the fruit cut up. Boom. So we're gonna take this right here, the citrus squeeze that I just told y'all about. Y'all can make juice out of this too. You just about the type of fruit that you put in. Like these are all good fruits. You can juice grapes, grapefruit, etc. Just gotta play with it. So you squeeze it down. You gotta hold this little piece right here in place because it moves around when you let this top part up. And you don't want to get seeds in your juice. Then you're defeating the purpose. So let's squeeze it out real good. Okay. And we're gonna just keep doing this. Okay, so we didn't squeeze the whole orange. And like I said, you have to hold this piece because you don't want to pour seeds in your water. So this is how I do it. So I'm pour. Let me see if I can get a good shot of it pouring. Okay, so my camera went off, but this is the result of the water. It's pretty delicious. This is egg whites and 1 egg. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of parsley. I'm making a mess. And we're gonna stir it up. Stir, stir, stir. What's up, y'all? What it do? I have not picked up the camera in a couple hours. I just kind of been relaxing after I had that really brunch. But I do need to go out. It's supposed to be like a winter storm coming, so I'm trying to hurry up and do all of my little last minute running around. Tomorrow my little sister on my dad's side is turning 7, and she's gonna have something at Chuck E. Cheese, so I'm gonna go to Five and Below. I don't really know what to buy, but I'm gonna start at Five and Below, see if I can see some like little girly stuff. And also my other sister turning 14 too, so I'm about to go grab some gifts for them. Like I said, we're supposed to have a winter storm, so I'm gonna stop at the grocery store and probably cook something else. I don't know everything else I'm gonna be doing, but I know I gotta go to 2 places first, and I'm gonna gas up because I don't know if my parents the only ones that told me this, like, but when it gets cold outside, you know, you're not supposed to have gas underneath a half a tank. I don't know how true that is, but I just always, you know, try to keep my gas over that, especially when it's about to be super cold and snowy. So that's what I'm about to do, and I will pick y'all back up when I'm in the automobile. Okay, y'all, walking into Five Below. All right, let's see. What's up? What it do, baby? It's dark. I'm out. Let me hit the light for y'all can see me for a second. Let me see. Hey y'all, bad lighting and all. What's up? I just left Five Below. I only found my 7-year-old sister something because the 14-year-old, the stuff that was in Five Below, I feel like it was a little too childish. So what I'm gonna end up doing is ordering her something off Amazon or something like that. She really into, like, you know, the beaded jewelry, so I'm gonna probably get that. She just gonna have to wait because hey girl, y'all birthdays come after Christmas, and y'all know what that be like. So I'm on my way to the grocery store because, like I told y'all before, it's supposed to be a snowstorm. We have a winter advisory here in Ohio, and I'm about to make sure I'm good on what I need because I'm probably about to be in the house. I don't mess around in no snow, y'all. I live here all my life, and it just never gets old. So, or you never get used to it. I shouldn't say get old. You just never get used to it. I don't care who you is. I don't get used to that. So, I will pick y'all back up in a second. I just kind of wanted to touch bases with y'all. Plus, it's dark in here, so we out. All these. get some celery. Y'all, I love these wraps. I make veggie wraps with these. Like I put vegetables and stuff inside of this. Super good. So we getting one of these. Getting some bananas. The key to finding bananas is if you're not ready to use them right away, buy the ones that's green so you have more time with them trying to ripe. These look bad. Actually on camera they don't look that bad, but bananas. This, my dears, is stuff I don't need, and I love potato chips, y'all. But I'm walking away. Being a bigger person, you will not give me today, you devil. Almond milk. Y'all, look at what's in all these. Oh my God. If y'all not hip, these candles right here and all these smell so good, okay? They only $4.29. Sometimes they be $5, but you can't beat it. And they 3-wick. Let me show y'all. 3-wick candle, $4. Alright, $4.09 for a pack of almonds. Getting these. I'm putting these in my salad, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the base of what we're having for dinner. I got this from Aldi's for like $1 something. And this is how it turned out. Really good. Underneath the rice, I have cauliflower rice with tomatoes, spinach, peppers, onions. We got some shrimp in there. We got some tomato. And then fiance, he just got the rice and all the other stuff. He don't have cauliflower rice. But y'all, it's banging. What's up, y'all? What it do, baby? It's the next day and I'm working out. Well, I'm done now. I got a little bit of arm stuff to do. But hey, y'all, hey, getting the day started. Okay, this is the end result. 48 minutes is how much time I was on here. Then I went 2.45 distance. My average pace was 19:36. I burned 380 calories. And yeah. Wait, one more time, boo. Yeah. What's up? What it do, baby? It's another day. We about to go work out. Not looking forward to this, but I am. Peace out. Be back. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing to work out, y'all. My workout clothes be super basic. Sometimes they don't match. I work out at home, so I don't gotta be super cute, but sometimes, you know, I do be cute. But today I just got on a simple pair of tummy control leggings. I have on a waist trimmer, so when I sweat, I'll be really, really sweaty. I got some Adidas shoes on that I got on clearance, y'all, like a year ago for like 20 bucks, okay? Yes, I'm a bargain shopper, baby. And I got this shirt from Rainbow probably like 3 years ago. And yeah, that's what we wearing. We about to go get beat up on the treadmill. I'm doing some HIIT cardio, doing some ab work, and probably a little bit of arms. But yeah, that's what we wearing. Y'all, I'm back. I'm clean, fresh, had a great workout, and it's 2:40. I have not eaten anything, so we about to go in the kitchen and possibly make a veggie wrap. I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all though, so to the kitchen. So these are wraps we're gonna use. This is the salmon I'm using. Got it from Walmart. This is the salad I'm using from Walmart. The cheese I'm gonna put on. I got some leftover peppers and onions. I'll probably cut one of these open. And we're gonna saute those. Rinse off our lettuce here. And yeah, that's water out of your salad so you're not eating wet lettuce after you rinse it. Like this. And then you can see all the liquid at the bottom there. And then you just pour it out and serve it. Last one, we can fix our water. Squeeze our lemon in here. I already poured my spring water in. I gotta grab the, I'm gonna use the small lemon squeezer because I'm only putting this one in for one piece. Here we go. One piece, and we're gonna put this piece in. My peppers is just about done the way I like them to. So I'm getting ready to take those out. And then here's our ice. And that's that. This is already in the refrigerator, so it's already cold. So I'm gonna put that all this to the side. Let's focus back on our peppers. So, this is hard the way I like them. Like I said, I like them a little toasty, not too toasty. So, but these is good. We're gonna take these out. These aside. I can have a bowl or something. I'm putting this all on my wrap. Let me get this onion out. Okay, in the same pan, we're gonna open up our lemon pepper salmon. Oh, I don't even need a knife. I could just open it like this. And let me get a spoon or something. Okay, but this is how I do it. I'll take a spoon, so I want to get all my salmon out, all my protein. And then I'll just kind of turn that down a little bit. Okay, let it all out. This don't look like a lot, but this gonna be more than enough for my wrap. Do that a little bit. Although this is already like seasoned, I still like to jazz it up a little bit. So this is my grillers, the chicken. I'm gonna have to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, but if you cook, then you should know. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of pink Himalayan salt. And that's really it because I already got lemon pepper on this. That's enough for me. You know, let this, I don't like the way this tastes when it first come out the pack, so that's why I always like heat it up or cook it on the stove. It just tastes weird. You want to just go for a second. Probably like another minute. And then I'll be right back. So this is the point where we wanted at, okay? Because don't knock this till you try it, but I add Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce inside here. Okay. So I'll put open it up, do a little dunk action. Put enough just to like coat it like that. Then I mix it around, get it all covered. Because when I take this out, my sauce is gonna be the barbecue sauce too. So I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce over the entire wrap. But y'all see that part in just a second. And yeah, now I'm gonna turn off the heat. You know, it's still, the pan is still hot, so it's still gonna cook a little bit. And then, the way it's gonna look a little weird, but y'all just follow me. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is where the Fiesta cheese will come in. Can you see that? This is where the cheese comes in, okay? It's gonna be a quick little snippet because I gotta warm the cheese up in the microwave. So I put, y'all, I don't eat a lot of cheese. It kind of messes with my stomach. So put just this much on there, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds or less. Okay, cheese melted. This is the part where I build my wraps. So I'm gonna put a couple of my peppers and onions in right here. Right. And we're gonna grab our salmon that we put barbecue sauce on. And I kind of like to spread it out, okay, y'all? So I can get a bite of salmon in almost every bite. You feel me? And we're gonna take our little salad that we put in the salad spinner at the beginning of the video. We're gonna take some of this and we're gonna just lay it on top. Just like that. Y'all, this is where I get a lot of my vegetables at for this kind of meal. So this is why I have so much salad. And we're gonna do it again. Oh, I'm about to mess up and put salmon. So we're gonna do it again. Put our peppers. The reason why I do it like this is just to make sure, like I said, I get everything in every bite. I don't want to have a big old hunk of, that's all of the peppers, y'all. So that's that. Let me get a little bit more light for y'all so y'all can really see. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here we go. Look at that. There we go, the light. Boom. So after that, we get our salmon. We kind of place it on there. Y'all may think this don't taste good, but I did this on the humble one day, just trying out stuff. So I didn't get to tell y'all that I don't only eat seafood, so my only part of meat that I eat. Yeah. Okay, we're done with that. And the rest of our salad right here, we put it on top. Normally I wrap this on my cutting board, but I wanted it to look a little cute for the YouTube. For y'all. I cook with gloves, y'all, too, because it protects my fingernails, as you can see. So the last thing I'll do is I'll put a little bit more cheese on top. You'll see that real good. And I feel like I got a little bit more. But y'all see, I don't put a lot of cheese on my stuff. I just can't tolerate too much. And then back to the sweet baby rays. Remember I told you we was gonna put some more on here at some point. And this is the point where we put it on. We take that, oops, and get a little drizzle. Boom. Good enough. We're gonna close that. I'll put that away in a second. This is why I like the cutting board, but I'm gonna just try to do it on here. So my stuff probably gonna fall off. But this how I do it. This how I do it. Try to like tuck all of my stuff inside. I'm the one eating this too, y'all, and my hands is clean, FYI. For the people in the back. So I just keep tucking over here on the side. This is my bottom part. I'm gonna bite on this end. I try to tuck it in so that when I pick it up, everything don't fall through. So, see, this is why I said it's the tricky part. Trying to keep everything in. Okay. I don't ever had this much of a hard time. I guess because I'm recording, Anyway, This how I roll it. That's what I do. Okay, and I leave it on the bottom side so it won't that's good. I leave it on that side so it won't unroll while I'm trying to get prepared to sit down and eat. And that's all right. While my stuff was cooking, I did take the time to cut up oranges to go with this. I'm trying to eat pickles, but I don't have none. And y'all, we're in a snowstorm, so I'm about to go get none either. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, I'm about to enjoy this. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Locked up anymore, Renzo. I'm doing my own thing now. Who you running for? Broad Street Killers. I've been asking around.
Y'all, this is what Ohio dealing with. I can't even open the door. I can't see you either. Yeah, it's snow though, y'all. It's crazy. What's up, y'all? I know I ain't really said too much to y'all today, but as y'all can see, we had a very bad snowstorm. We had like 8+ inches of snow, so it's like nothing to do. Everybody's in the house. You're snowed in. You can't get out. I couldn't even open up the door, okay? So I just been in the house, you know, getting some relaxation going on, and that's really it, y'all. I'll come back if I'm doing something fun. But for right now, this is what we doing. I forgot to end the video. So I'm ending the video right here. And thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.